Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everybody. Today, I would like to present our research which entitled Enhancing Production Quality and Sustainability in Aluminum-Based MSMEs through Defect Reduction using Six Sigma methodology. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce all authors from this research. First author is Muhammad Faisal, second author Arif Kurniawan, third author Hayati Mukti and the last author is Endah Otami. All authors are from Program Studi Teknik Industri, Fakultas Teknologi Industri, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan, Yogyakarta. This presentation contains is introduction and background to the problem, and then method, and then research result, and the last content is conclusion. Okay. Micro, small, medium enterprise play a vital role in strengthening and growing the economic in especially Indonesia. Their resilience allowed them to survive in any situation, as in evidence during 1998 monetary crisis when MSMEs thrived despite large corporation collapse. And AS Aluminium is one of the MSMEs located in Mendungan Kiwangan Umbul Hasduro, Yogyakarta, producing aluminium product, for example, cake mold, and other cake and other molds related to the cake and the food. Gitu. This company established by Mrs. Pujiati, it's offer a variety product including waffle mold, lacquer mold, cookies mold, and terang bulan mold. And as aluminum provide two type cake, thick and thin. And in the aluminum, some product defect is occur leading to loss for the business SMS. Defective product can negatively impact the company's reputation with customer. To address this challenge, incorporate sustainability goals such as responsible consumption and production can help minimize waste and improve product quality. Additionally, enhancing design work and economic growth through efficient production process can reduce defect and support long-term business success. As you know, quality is the most crucial factor in achieving success and growth, both locally and globally. By integrating the industry, innovation, and infrastructure, companies can foster technology's advancement that improve production standard and reduce defect. Defect found in aluminum product include holes, roof, surface, and unevenness, which can be addressed by adopting climate action and to optimize energy use in the manufacturing process, contributing to both environmental sustainability and product improvement. As you see in this picture, this is all type of the defect in the AS aluminum product. Okay, the data show that both cetakan tebal and cetakan tipis have defect rate significantly higher than the target 2%. Cetakan tebal has actual defect rate 8.26%, while cetakan tipis show 8.52%. This indicates a substantial deviation from the target, which is cetakan tebal more than 6%. Also, cetakan tipis high defect rates more than 6% gaps. So, this condition is need to improvement in quality control process to meet the desired standard. This is our methodology to conduct this research. It starts from analyze. In analyze step, we analyze all the causes causes occur the defect, and then we in analyze phase we make a diagram fishbone to know the root cause from this problem and use 5Y analysis. And then in the next phase, measure phase, we collect the data from the defect and calculate the DPMO, defect per million opportunity, and level of the sigma. And then in the define phase, we identify the defect in the production process, and then we try to improve using the brainstorming and 5W and 2H. How to improve the process to reduce the defect. And then in the last phase, in the control phase, is to make sure the SOP, standard operation procedure, the new SOP is defined and implement in the process. And then the last is conclusion. Okay, in the first phase is defined, we identify all the product occur the defect. For example, there is four product has occurred the defect: terang bulan, pukis tebal, lumpur tebal, waffle, pukis tipis, gandos, sembe tipis, and lacquer. From the observation, we found all the product is occur the defect rate more than target. And then in the next phase is measure phase. We calculate the DPMO, defect per million opportunity, and level sigma to know the baseline to conduct the improvement for the next level. And from the calculation, the level of sigma is 3.42. And then for the cetakan kue tipis, the level of sigma is 3.4. Okay, for the next phase, we conduct the analyze phase. In the analyze phase, we analyze the root cause from the defect. Using the 5-way analysis and diagram fishbone, we know how defect is arise in the production process. From the material, this is we found the raw material is not good, and then from the method we know the process of the melting the raw material is not perfect. From the we found the lack of knowledge related to the process is one of the problem to rise the defect. And then for the next phase, improve phase, we conduct the brainstorming all operator and the owner related to all causes. From this brainstorming, we can conclude the improvement will be implement is first is we conduct the thermoscanner in melting process, and then we add the facility to support the production. For example, ventilation air in the melting process. And then selection raw material is important. One of the important improvement to make sure the all raw material is in the good specification. And then cleaning in the molding to reduce the dirty that has been causes the defect occur in the process. And then after all improvement is implemented, we can show the result before and after improvement. From this table, we can show you all even the result is not enough to achieve the target, but the result can be shown in this graphic have a reduction defect, yeah, from 8.26 reduced to 4.37, and for cetakan tipis from 8.52 reduced to 4.83. And to make sure this improvement will be implemented for the next time, we standardize all the new process in the new SOP, or standard operation procedure. So for the next time, this problem can be prevented to occur for the next time. And this is our implementation. This is our new SOP after implementation all the improvement. Okay, for the last page, it is a control page. In the control page, we can show you the level of the PMO level is reduced, yeah, about 40%. Yeah. And this is a good result that will be achieved. Yeah. And for the conclusion, the factor causing defect include incomplete aluminum melting, lack of the work standardization, dirty mold, employee fatigue, insufficient knowledge and skill, and poor raw material quality. To reduce defect during production, improvements such as providing a temperature control tools, creating standard, new, and selecting better quality aluminum scrap and more through cleaning molds recommendation. And thank you.